In your Blackboard Collaborate virtual classroom, there are many tools at your disposal. One of the easiest tools to use is the whiteboard. So here you can see I've added use your whiteboard to share information with your students. A good thing to do before the virtual classroom starts, before your session starts, is to go in and create an agenda. So you can put the key points of today's session right on the screen so the students can see it as soon as they enter the room. To do this, you can simply click on Enter Text on the page. You can create your text box and then add your agenda. So watch a presentation, sing a song, as you wish. You can add anything you wish, and you can edit the text using the tools at your disposal. So this is one of the easiest ways to start the classroom off on the right foot. Once your session has started, a good way to make sure the students are engaged in the class is to use the polling tool. I would suggest using this tool even every 10 minutes in order to make sure your students are actually listening and paying attention. So to use the polling tool, you simply go to Tools in the menu, and then you scroll down to Polling. Now there are different types of polling. It could be a yes-no, A to C multiple choice, A to D multiple choice, A to E multiple choice. The students can respond to the poll. You can publish the responses to the whiteboard. You can lock the responses if you don't want the students to see the other student's response, if it's a question that requires information, or you can make responses visible. So let's choose a polling type, A to D multiple choice, and I'm going to insert my poll right on the screen as I insert text. I've created my question in Word, so I could just cut and paste it, which makes it a lot faster. And then here it's available for the students to see. So my poll today is, how is the weather today? A, it is sunny. B, it is cloudy. C, it is rainy. D, it is snowy. So it's good to read out the questions for the students, and you can indicate to the students how to answer. They just have to go to this little box in their tools, and then they can select A, B, C, or D. So today it is sunny. So I've answered my poll. Once all the students have answered their poll, you can go back to the polling tool and click on Publish Responses to Whiteboard. Now all the students can see what the other students have answered. So this is the way to give them some feedback and explain the answer to the question. So again, this is a really good tool that can be used quite frequently in the course to make sure that students are listening and paying attention. Now another way to interact with your students or present content to them is to share your screen. So here we have the whiteboard tool, next to it is application sharing, and next to it is web tour. So when you click on application sharing, you can share with your students a variety of things that are on your desktop. So you can share the whole desktop if you wish, or you can share a Microsoft Word document, or you can share your browser. You can simply select what you would like to share, and then students will be able to see it and follow on screen. Another thing you can do is to simply do a web tour, which puts the website directly in the Blackboard Collaborate window. So for example, if we go to the La Cité homepage, and now the homepage appears directly on the screen for the students, and you can easily navigate different sections of it and then explain to the students the information you wish to explain to them. This is something the students can also do if you give them moderator privileges. You can permit the students to share their projects. If they've created a blog or a website that they want to share or present to the class, they can also do it this way. And again, it can make the classroom a little bit more interactive and also permit you to ask students to present something every class. And it can be as simple as presenting one PowerPoint slide to explain what they have learned.